Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's topic, I'll be showing you how to hide apps on iPhone running at iOS 17. First, go to your home screen, then long press on the app that you want to hide. In the pop-up menu, select Remove App, and then choose Remove from Home Screen. By doing this, it won't show the app on your home screen, but you can see the app by searching it. Now to hide it from search, go to your settings and then open Siri and search. Now in here, scroll down and look for the app that you want to hide. Then tap on it. Toggle off the button beside Show App and Search. It will now then hide this from the search. Do this to every app that you want to hide. Now if you want to hide multiple apps at once, then do this. Go to your home screen, then create a folder. Long press the app, then drag it to another app you want to hide. Now to select multiple apps, drag and hold one application. Then tap on each app you want to hide, as you can see on the screen. After selecting all of the apps, put it on the folder that you have created. After that, drag the app to another page on your home screen. Make sure that the apps are wiggling before you proceed to another step. Now tap on the page dots below, and you can see here the check marks below the pages. Tap on the check icon, and that's it. All of the apps on that folder won't show up on your home screen. Note that this method have a disadvantage because it will eventually show the apps on your app library. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.